Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on cryptocurrencies, particularly on Bitcoin. So in general, market has completed the setup that we discussed last time. On Thursday we said if market will break the intraday resistance level on the hourly chart, then it should reach the 63 area, and actually this has been done. But later market has dropped back, and as a result you could see a huge high wave pattern on the weekly chart. So as usual it happens with the high waves, next direction depends on the breakout. Upper breakout suggests further upward continuation, downside breakout suggests deeper retracement on the Bitcoin market. Since the range of this pattern is very significant, for now I do not see really big sense to discuss what will happen outside of it, because for now it is interesting what is going on inside of this range, mostly on the daily and intraday patterns, intraday charts. Besides, right now I would say that currently it's really very tricky moment, just because rumors suggest that Iran should make the response in the nearest days or even hours, and it seems some information is leaking on the market. So you could see that gold today is open positively, although you could see the minor uptick on the 10-year bonds. So if we take a look at the chart of 10-year bonds on the daily chart, you can see that today we see minor growth on the yield, but at the same time gold market shows the upward direction. Second, the grabber that we discussed here on the perspective for this event, I mean Iran response, takes absolutely different meaning. And if this will happen really, we don't know what the scale will be, how it is coordinated or not coordinated, how the scale of this response was agreed with the United States, for example, or not. But anyway, this just dropped back to the lows around 3.65 level. So the grabber suggests demand for United States bonds. Usually it happens in the moments of the rising geopolitical tensions. So from that standpoint, it take some special meaning. So yesterday we discussed this pattern in our gold market analysis, but at that point, at that moment, we haven't got this information yet. But right now, in the shadow of this information, in light of this information, so it take the special meaning. Finally, if you take a look at the performance of the Bitcoin itself, you will see a few bearish moments. First of all, on the daily chart, market is forming bearish grabber, and this already has been confirmed. This grabber suggests taking out of its lows, and the sell-off of the most risky assets, which is Bitcoin actually is a typical for any rising of the geopolitical risks and running the safe haven. I do not know, maybe here will be some add-on from the Japan, for example, because important data will be released this week. Maybe sell-off will continue on the Japan market, and that particular could impact on Bitcoin. I do not know what particular reason will be, but currently we have the bearish grabber, and with the grabber on the back, we are not considering taking any long positions by far. To return back to the idea of the taking long position, market has to jump above the 63 area, just continue our prediction and erase the grabber. Until grabber stands in place, it suggests that drop might be stronger to the downside, and we have the bearish setup. So our target to the upside has been completed. So with this upward direction on the fall time frame chart, you could see this was the ABCD pattern. This mostly has been done here, so just briefly hasn't reached the OP. If you use the A point right from the level where the upward direction has started, so in this case you could see that OP has been completed. Right in agreement. So our suggestion of the target was nice, and market right now stands in downward direction. But for now, despite that it seems attractive and this might be some minor retracement, looks like the minor retracement and chance to take the long position with a possible upward continuation. Indeed, here we have not bad thrusting action, and by this logic it seems that it's attractive. But with this geopolitical background right now on the back, and with the patterns that we have on the performance of the gold market, and grabber on the Bitcoin itself, and grabber on the 10-year bonds, I would wait a bit and wouldn't hurry up too much with considering taking new long position by far on the Bitcoin market. So that's just be careful and keep an eye on the political news right now, because it might be the major driving factor in the nearest few sessions, if rumors will be confirmed, of course. So that's actually our 2 cents on Bitcoin market right now. Let's keep watching.